In this video, we are going to see cyber laws in India. First of all, what do you mean by cyber law? It is the virtual world of internet, which is called cyberspace, and the law governing this area are known as cyber law. Cyber law is important because it touches almost all the aspect of transaction and activities on and involving the internet, World Wide Web, and cyberspace. There are two different types of cybercrime. The first crime that target computer network through viruses, and second crime that use computer network to do other criminal activities such as fraud, identity theft, etc. Now we are going to see the cyber laws in India. In India, cyber laws are contained in Information Technology Act 2000, which was subsequently amended in 2008. The main purpose of the act is to provide legal recognition to e-commerce and to facilitate filing of electronic record with the government. There are various act, rules and regulation covered under cyber law in India, which we can see: Information Technology Act 2000, IT Certifying Authority Regulation 2001, IT Rule 2003, 11, and the recent one, IT Amendment Act 2008. Now we are going to see the important features of this IT Amendment Act 2008. Now these are the few amendment done in IT Act 2008. For example, the term digital signature has been replaced with e-signature to make the act more technology neutral. In the second and third, definition has been given more precisely of communication device and cyber cafe. Then, if you see the last one, the damages of rupees 1 crore prescribed under section 43 of the earlier act has been deleted, and in place they have given, see, he shall be liable to pay damages by way of compensation. Now, what are the limitation of cybercrime law in India? Lack of comprehensive law. Second, problem of jurisdiction. Third, loss of evidence, that is loss of data. Fourth, lack of legal manpower. There is a shortage of manpower to deal with cybercrime cases, due to which there are often delays in resolving the cases. Then, next limitation, need for cooperation between law enforcement authorities. There is a need for cooperation for exchange of evidence of computer crime between law enforcement agency, but this is a problem we are facing right now in India. Then next one, need for tech savvy judges. Cyber savvy judges are the need of the day. Second last, lack of cooperation between public and private sector. And the last one, need for a mandatory reporting mechanism. It is unfortunate that telecom companies, that is, or internet service providers, are not sharing information relating to cyber attacks against their network. Thank you.